you can have it your way. Just upload your picture today, okay? We produce glossy prints and have free shipping every day. Fast turnaround to get to your city or town. Listen close. Here's the breakdown. Our metals will last a lifetime. They are guaranteed to have a beautiful glossy shine. Put those forgotten pictures on your refrigerator because out of sight, out of mind. But remember, they can also be hung on your door or wall, and believe it or not, that's not all. Decorate your file cabinet with your magnet. Abracadabra, just like magic.
Because you think it, we ink it.